guys, today I'm gonna teach you how to make a dumpling. Me and my mother did all of these, so because she was very nice to teach me, and now I'm gonna show you how to do it.
Are you gonna explain what you're doing?
So first I folded it. First I folded it.
Okay.
And then now I put water over here.
Mm-hmm.
And then now I'm gonna, do you see outside here?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna hold here, then bend it in.
Crease it.
Crease it then. And then I'm gonna take another one here.
Another crease.
Do not put any water. And then put that there. Squeeze it. There's extra meat coming out. Pull it out. Put it on the board.
That's not really what you're supposed to do, but okay.
Well, put the meat.
Stretch it. Okay. All right. Keep going.
And then you put the other side some water. Make sure you don't put too much. And then just do the same thing like you did on the other side. And then at the end, you just fold it.
Okay,
You just squeeze it, I mean.
Okay, and then put some flour on the bottom.
And then you just stab it, and then beep, beep, all ready.
Okay.